Hello everybody, and welcome back to my channel. This is Carmen with Elemental Designs, and today we are here because I have another entry into my Lace 2K challenge. This entry is entry number 3, and before I share with you guys what I received, I just want to let you guys know that you still have time to make your VRs for those extra points. Anybody that comes over from your channel and lets me know that they're coming over from your channel gets you extra points into the challenge. Also, the challenge is all the way through April, so you still have time to enter if you so wish to do so. And yes, you guys, so with that out of the way, let's get this started. So this entry comes from JimmyLani's Creation. I will have her link down below. And I received this, and oh my god, you guys, her packaging does smell awesome. So Janet, you were right. Her packaging smells awesome. And she sent me her entry in this beautiful, oh my goodness, and so much of it. Wow, thank you. Thank you for wrapping it in this beautiful, beautiful paper. Like, this is gorgeous. Look at all that glitter, you guys. I don't know if you guys can see it, but it's full of glitter, and it's got beautiful embossing on it. Very, very pretty, and it smells delish. So let me put this to the side, and oh, let's see what we have here. So let me put this to the side, and I have this cute little, well, this humongous paper clip. Thank you for that. Oh, and then her altered lace. Yay! Woohoo! I'm so super excited. Let me just perfect. Thank you so much. So look at this, guys. She added some organza. I think that's what that fabric is called. It's like an organza fabric. And she added these little jewels on her trim. And she double layered this. So she made this scalloped little area here that she adhered to the lace. And this is beautiful. It's got this really cute dimensional butterfly right there. And she's got these teardrop pearls. I think that's what they're called. I'm not sure, you guys. But yes, beautiful. So hopefully you guys can catch that. Hopefully my lighting it's not too bad. And then she included this cute little envelope, and love her handwriting. And this is her channel, you guys. JimmyLani's Creation. I will leave a link to her channel down below. Oh, and it says thanks and congrats on your 2K subscribers. Yes, I'm so super excited. Oh, thank you. Thank you so much. It's so sweet of you. She has beautiful, beautiful handwriting. And then these are her 2 tags. Super, super adorable. I know that she shared this on her VR, but I didn't watch it, so I will go and watch it now after I've done this. Thank you so much. And she added another one of those little pearls right there. She added another dimensional butterfly to her trim here on the top. This is super cute. And this is like a pocket right here. And I love this, how this has the flowers. And let me just show you what the back of it, it just looks so pretty and so dimensional. And she did go ahead and add her piece of trim here, and also some more of that very pretty organza. And it's like a baby blue, if I'm not mistaken. It matches beautifully with her tag. Love it. Her tag is very sturdy as well, which is awesome. And then she added some hearts, and she decorated the back as well with this beautiful metallic die cut. So very, very pretty. Thank you so much for that. And then, oh, this is a tag with another tag. And so, oh, and it's got a little flag. How cute. A little flag in the back. And on this one, she put my name, Elemental Designs, and she added her little piece of trim here. She's got this really cute paper flower that she handmade. Another one of those beautiful butterflies. I personally love butterflies as well. Another piece of the trim, and she added this beautiful jewel there. And the back of this tag is plain. And then this tag that she created Has this very pretty butterfly there, a cute little paper rose, and then the paper is just so pretty. And then she added, this is really cool, cool right here. She added this little tag in the top. She added that to her. Oh, and it's got something in the back. She added the little tag part to the top of her tag, so that's cute. When life gives you lemons, you squeeze them, make lemonade, and then share them with your friends. Oh, that's so cute. That's so cute. Thank you so much, darling. Thank you so much. You guys, you definitely have to go and subscribe to her channel. She doesn't have much content, but her creativity is like off the chain, you guys. If you haven't seen some of the things that she created, you definitely have to go and check out Mom to Create's channel, where she entered. She sent Janet some Happy Mail with an entry for her challenge. And you guys have to see the stuff that she made. I mean, it's completely amazing. And I hope that you continue to create videos and that you continue to share with us, you know, your creativity, your process, just everything. We really appreciate you showing that and sharing that with us. So thank you so much. And I hope that you keep it up. I look forward to seeing all of your amazing projects. And yes, you guys. Oh, and she also sent me a white gel. We can never have too many of these, you guys. So thank you so much for that. So this is her amazing entry. Thank you so much, darling, for entering into my challenge. I will go ahead and add your points and definitely leave your link down below. I will also have a link to the challenge, you guys. So if you're interested in entering, you can find out what the prizes are and also how you can win. So thanks so much, you guys, and I will catch you on the next one. Bye.